Hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I will show you how to use our EP1340 Poly Buckle Tensioner. The EP1340 is designed to hand tension 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch polypropylene or cord strapping. As you can see, the tool has 4 prongs, which when squeezed together will align and grip the strap. If you look closer, the inside prongs have texture on one face to give it more traction to the strap. Here we have our galvanized buckle and our polypropylene strapping ready to tension. And the way to set this up is you put the strapping under the buckle, over and under again, and you pull. And you would proceed to do the same thing on the other side. Under and over. And pull. And you want to hand tension as much as possible. Using the EP1340, slip the bottom strap between the bottom 2 prongs and the top strap between the top 2 prongs. And you want to tightly squeeze the handles together and pull towards your body. Release, move it forward, squeeze toward your body and pull again. Once you are done tensioning, there is a built-in cutter which you can use to cut excess strapping as such. Super simple. Again, this has been a review on our EP1340, available at Encore Packaging. For more information, contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.